Hi, so I want to show you the new probe I've been working on. Last time I showed you the one I was using with the servo. It was still this one, but mounted on a servo. Now it's clicky style, mounted on the magnets. So the way this one works, for now it's manual. I have two magnets and two screws here. This is just a piece of wood. This is just a normal end stop. The screws are made to be exactly fit in these two holes so it doesn't move sideways. And the way it works, we just put it manually here, wiggle it a bit, and then it's snapped in place. Let's run now some calibration and see how this looks. Home all axis first, and now it's gonna do the Z. Alright, now let's run Z calibration. It's gonna do the same. First it's gonna check the Z, and there. Now it's gonna check the probe against the same switch. And now it's gonna check the probe versus the bed. Alright, and here is the result. The offset is very close. And now since we're already over the bed, let's do probe accuracy because I show you how bad it was in the last time, the servo one. And I wanna show you how accurate this build. I mean, this build costs almost nothing. Well, you have to buy the magnets, but I already had them for something else. And the end stop, it's like $1. The wood costs nothing, and that's it. Alright, so let's see. You see we have 0.01. It's like more than 20 times what I had with the servo. These values, it's almost as good as any commercial pro. But I'm thinking of buying the one from AliExpress. This is the one because it doesn't cost much, and the magnets and everything is just will cover the price of buying the parts separately. And I might try to automate it. So when you're done, you just lift the Z to 20 to have a bit more clearance, and then you just bend it like this, and it goes off, and then I store it like this over this loom of wire so I can just print now. It's not in the way. Okay, and now let me show you how good this is. So paper, it's 0.1 thick. And let's go to 1 first. Okay, it moves freely. Now let's go 0.2. It still moves, but it touches a bit. Now 0.1. Okay, now you see, you can hear it, but it's exactly 0.1. So now everything is perfectly set. We have very cheap probe, very accurately. The same with this one. I showed you in a previous video how to make it. I also posted a small short video with painting on the mirror. It works great. compared to, you don't need to put paper, glue, anything, it just sticks. You just wash it, and the best part I'll show you in the next video. Once you print something, first test layer, you just put it in the sink, run a bit of hot water, and it just dissolves. So it's so easy to use it. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, this is for now. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more.